Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I'm going to start with my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. So I'm going to use this on my face, then I'll rub it around. After then, I'll be going in with my Wet n Wild brow pencil. I'll be using this pencil for my eyebrow.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
I will be going in with the Elegant concealer to prime my eyelid. I'll be using this concealer as my eyeshadow base. It allows my eyeshadow to be vibrant and last longer. After that, I'll be setting it with the Sasha Buttercup powder. It also helps my concealer to stay. Then I'll be using the Resolution palette. This is also affordable if you're looking for a cheap affordable palette to start with. Then I'll be going in with the dark orange into my crease. Please guys, blend it, okay? Not draw, blend. I'm going to be using the dark brown. I'll be applying this on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna blend it in. After blending it, I'm gonna use the gold. I actually don't know if that is really gold because it has like 3 shades of gold in the palette, so I would just assume it's gold. Then after applying that, I'll be using the same brush I used for the dark brown. I'll go back with it and just blend everything together so that it doesn't have a harsh line. So after blending it together, I'll be using the I Love Resolution eyeliner in the shade black. It's very affordable. If you're looking for a very cheap eyeliner to start with, you can eventually get this from their site or from Walmart. Or I did my eyelash off camera, so if you want to see that, I can do a video of that. Then after doing that, I'll be going in with my Elegant Pro concealer in the shade orange. I use this as my color correct where I have black spots. Then after applying it there, I just use my hand to just dab it in. Just tap. Then after doing that, I'll be going in with my foundation, and I use the Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. I apply it on my face, but before I do that, I mix it on the back of my palm and use my beauty sponge and just apply it. You can also use a brush to put it on your face too, but I like using my beauty sponge because it's very easy for me. So what I do is after applying it, I just dab it into my skin. I don't just rub it, I just dab it into my skin. Then after applying my foundation, what I do is I use my concealer to highlight my face. So what I do is when I light my face, I highlight my nose, my underneath my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. Then I go in with the Morphe beauty sponge and I just blend it in. I don't rub it. Please guys, don't rub it. Dab it in. If you want to do it slowly, do it slowly. But don't rub it. Take your time to blend everything in. After blending everything in, I go in with my Sasha Butter Cup Powder. I'll use this to set my face, and I'll be applying it underneath my eyes, moreover wherever I highlighted. Not so much, just a little bit. And also you can apply it wherever you put your foundation. You can set it wherever you put your foundation, around your face or wherever you choose to. It doesn't really matter, it's your choice. But I like taking it my nose, my underneath my eyes, my chin, everywhere. Then I take a very small brush and just brush it out softly, not hard. So I'll be going with my bronzer, and I just use it in a circular motion, softly, not too hard guys. Then I dip a tiny brush into that bronzer too, and I use it to contour my nose. And I'll be going with the e.l.f. highlighter, and I'll be using it as my highlight. That brush, I love it so much because it's very easy to apply your highlights. For beginners, it's actually beginner friendly. You can use that because it just makes it very easy for you to do. And I also highlight my forehead and my chin, then my nose. I'll be going with the Wet n Wild brow pencil. I'll be using it for my lip also. Lip Tease Me full color lip oil, but it doesn't have any shade, so I would just say light. I don't know what shade this is, but it's kind of a neutral shade. But I'll be setting my face with the Morphe setting spray. So guys, this is finished look. I'm sorry guys, I don't know how to position myself to give it that sexy style, but this is a finished look. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video, please. See you guys in my next video. Okay, have a nice day guys. Love you.